Hello guys, this is Gabriel Gia and this is a quick video tutorial kung paano nga ba tayo mag-register dito sa Friendship. As you can see, kinopya ko yung link na binigay sa akin. And then, this is what we're going to do. Copy-paste natin siya sa ating Google Chrome. Click natin yung sign up. And then, mapapasok na tayo dito sa registration. I will register Noraline. Sulat natin yung name niya lahat. Let's fill this form. Pusin natin lahat ng information. Philippines. Okay. Email address, phone number. Lagay natin dito. So, ganito po yung mag-register guys, no? Copy nyo yung link and then paste nyo sa Google Chrome. Fill this form, lahat-lahat. Be exact in your email address. Kailangan talaga exact. Username, Noraline 2020, and then the password, everything. Ayan, tapos na po. And for the last part, sulat po natin yung referral username, yung nag-invite, and then leave it as a blank lahat. And then, click nyo yung I have read and agree to the website and then sign up. Yan lang po guys. Ganito lang po kasimple ang mag-register dito sa Friendship. Let's wait for a while. So, ganito pala yung strategy dyan. So, invite your friends, send your link, and turuan nyo sila kung paano mag-register. Click nyo yung mga importante. And remember, yung referral username. You need to be exact on that one. Medyo mabagal siya, no? Pero let's wait for a while and then we can see anong susunod dito. Okay. Let's go back here. So hindi siya natuloy. Actually na-register na siya. The moment na lalabas yung session expired. Konting error lang po. Ayan na, dito na po yung account ni Noraline. So thank you so much guys for watching. This is how you are going to register your account. And for the last part guys, tingnan nyo po itong mga earner natin. So register now in Friendship and earn like these people na. So gusto nyong kumita ngayon, register na po. Simple lang.